You've heard it 100 times. Save it to the cloud. Your photos are backed up in the cloud. Just upload it to the cloud. Cool, but WTF is the cloud, really? Is it a place? A server farm? A vibe? Let's break it down. No jargon, no fluff. Think of the cloud like this. You used to store everything on your computer, like saving photos on a hard drive or USB stick. Now? You're saving them on someone else's computer through the internet. That's it. The cloud is internet storage, but branded to sound floaty and safe. Technically, the cloud is a network of data centers, huge buildings full of servers run by companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Apple. Your files, photos, apps, even your emails, they live on those computers. You access them anytime via internet. So when you watch Netflix, use Google Docs, back up your iPhone to iCloud, or play a game that syncs to your profile, you're using the cloud. Probably 50 times a day without realizing it. Why is it useful? The cloud makes your stuff accessible from anywhere auto-backed up, in theory, shareable. Off your device, saving space, it also powers all kinds of modern magic. AI, streaming, collaboration tools, file syncing, that's all cloud-powered behind the scenes. Okay, so here's the flip side. Yes, your data is stored remotely, and someone else manages those servers. That means trust and security matter. So always ask, who owns the cloud you're using? Is your data encrypted? Can you control what gets uploaded and deleted? Also, cloud doesn't mean invincible. Data can still be lost, hacked, or leaked, so use strong passwords and turn on 2FA for anything cloud-based. So, WTF is the cloud? It's not magic. It's just the internet, but with someone else doing the storage and heavy lifting. It's convenient, it's powerful, and yeah, it's everywhere. Now you know. Next time someone says it's saved in the cloud, you can smile and say, ah yes, someone else's server. Subscribe for more tech breakdowns that don't suck, and leave a comment. What tech still has you saying WTF?